Hi, Craig Gordon here with On the Ball Trading, and what you're about to see is a video that shows you how to really profit from large gaps down without taking a lot of risk. Enjoy the video. Making money in the markets is all about probabilities. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that the probabilities are highly in your favor. Now, today it's the morning of June 29th, and basically we're taking a look at the chart of the S&P 500 index. This is the E-mini contract. And if you bear with me, we're going to take a look at some numbers here for the opens and the closes as I move the mouse pointer over the bar. Here's the close from yesterday, and you can see that it closed at 1070.50. And then this morning we had a big gap down, and on a big gap down we had the open at 1055.50. So basically it dropped 15 points overnight. Now this is a big drop, and boy, it's scary when you have a market that just goes sideways, or maybe sideways and a little down like it did yesterday, all day long, and it does basically nothing but go back and forth, and then all of a sudden, kaboom, the bottom falls out. And the question is, how do you trade this so that you can make money, and how do you protect yourself from losing a lot of money? Well, here's how you do it, okay? What you do is when you have a gap, and I've got research statistics to back me up on this. When you have a gap that falls like this, what you do is you short the open. And the reason that you short the open is the probabilities of the continuation of the move for at least 6 10-minute bars down is far greater than the probabilities of a move back up. After all, the first order of business for any gap is to try and close itself. We all know that. Good traders know that. But when you have a gap that's 15 points, the likelihood of that gap actually closing when you have that much movement is very, very small. Maybe it'll hit the stomach of the gap, which is halfway up. That's a possibility. But, when something, you drop a brick off a building and it's halfway down, chances are it's going to fall the other halfway. And let's take a look at what happened here this morning. Here we opened up at 1055 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars down, okay? At 1030, you can just get out at 1030. Hold it for an hour. 6 10-minute bars. And, we had a close at 1038.25. Now, what do you say? Well, Craig, what about the stops? Where do I put my stops? Well, what you can do is you can use a 2-point stop. Here it opened at 1055, have your stop ready to go at 1057. Now, some people like to put it in there in the market. I don't like to put my stops in the market. I'll put a market order in to sell it as soon as it tags 1057. So, I'll be gone. But I don't want to show them my hand. All right. If you want to trade with the odds overwhelmingly in your favor, go to this internet address right now. http://ontheballtrading.com/slingshot101/. For a limited time, we're giving away for free our Slingshot trading system, which is a phenomenal trading system that can make you a ton of money. So go there, check it out. You'll be glad you did. Good luck to you in all your trading.